Hi guys, it's Low and Low,
Hello.
and we're gonna have mozzarella sticks. They're over here. Some oopsie daisy. Some queso and some tabaki. Sweet and spicy it is. Sweet and spicy. So
join us while we eat.
join us.
Okay.
Wait, what are you starting with?
I'm gonna start with this one, the tabaki.
Okay, then if you're doing that, I'm gonna start. Wait, hold on, the mic's over here.
Really good.
Peaceful. It's like hot.
Stunning. Okay, I'm dipping mine in the queso. Oh, okay. Dip in there. Oh yeah.
Why's it got that layer? Get out of here.
Try this.
Huh?
Oh yeah. It's delicious. Delish.
There's a hole in our window. That was probably so loud with the mic.
Exactly.
Hey, come here, you sneaky snake. Hey, hello. My big back self.
Gosh.
Ooh, that's spicy.
So good.
I sound like Ollie.
Are we doing this right?
I'm a Visco girl. Oh, Oi.
Don't touch my mozzie stick.
Oh yeah. Aw. That was disappointing.
Don't embarrass me in front of my friends. I have mozzie in my hair.
Oh man, I got it in my hair. Oh. That was so ASMR. Oh. Cat scared me. Cat got your tongue.
Stop talking to me.
You're embarrassing me, Mom. Look at it. That's so rude. So inconsiderate.
That's good.
It's good. Wait, what does the squirrel say? It's good. I got it. Oh, I didn't get it. You got it on the table. Okay, oh my gosh. I'm done with these stupid chopsticks.
Here.
Ooh, spicy. It's spicy.
Oh yeah.
Why is it spicy?
So
Want it?
No.
More for me. Are you dying?
Wow. That's spicy.
Wait.
Oh yeah.
And tabaki sauce. The tabaki saucy. Look how appetizing that looks. Mom, you're making a lot of noise. Gulp. Delish. Okay.
Okay.
What was that? Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Why are you staring at me?
Well, thank you for joining us.
Goodbye.
For this little snack.
Oh, oopsies. I tried to get rid of you too fast.
No, you did. Goodbye.
Goodbye.